A showdown is looming between the Police Federation and the Police High Command. This is over the issue of overtime payment to rank-and-file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. More in this report.
God helps you if the membership is not paid their overtime come this month.
Chairman of the Police Federation, Corporal Rohan James, issuing yet another warning to the powers that be. The Finance Minister gave approval more than 3 months ago for the activation of the software system to efficiently calculate overtime hours for police officers following the Supreme Court's ruling last year. Recently, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson told members the system was being installed. Speaking today at a funeral service for slain Police Constable Damian Blair, Corporal James accused the High Command of stalling the implementation of the new overtime system.
I am tired of the abuse being meted out and believing that persons can call me to intimidate me. I have not seen the man nor woman that is going to lead me into fear so that I will retreat from doing what the membership have asked of me to do.
Corporal James warned there could be problems in the JCF if there is another delay in the overtime payments this month.
That the Federation is not going to be muzzled, intimidated, nor bamboozled. We negotiate with government, not with High Command. The Council of Deputies have no moral authority to tell us what to do when a court orders that we are to be paid overtime work.
Constable Blair was fatally shot by his wife, Casey Ann Blair, during a dispute at their home in Somerset, Manchester on May 29.
Our lives will never be the same. The very fabric of our existence has been torn and will permanently remain that way.
The Federation is saying to our colleagues, let Constable Blair's demise be the last that ended in such a manner. Be on your best guard. Stand up, stand tall, use your training. It doesn't mean that you have to let family or anyone maim or harm you.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.